Hey, Dr. Berg here. In this short video, we're going to talk about how to warm up your hands or your feet using acupressure to the thyroid. Now, I'm just going to make a disclaimer. I'm not curing thyroid disease, okay? I'm just showing you how to influence the thyroid to warm up the hands and feet. It works about 50% of the time, so I'm going to show you how to do it on yourself or to have someone do it on you. If it doesn't work, chances are that the reason why you're cold is coming from another source, okay? So there's many different causes of cold hands or feet. So first thing you want to do is rate the coldness. So let me just see, you do have cold hands. I'm going to rate her coldness on a scale from 1 to 10. 10 being very, 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 very hot. 0 being ice cold. Give me a number. How are you going to rate that temperature?
5.
5, okay. Now we're doing it on her hands. You would do it on the feet separately. So we're going to work on the hands first, okay? So I'm going to turn her this way, and the acupressure points to the thyroid are located right here. And if you wanted to know the segment, it's about C5, C6 area right here. So now I'm taking my 2 fingers right here, and this is, of course, someone else doing this. You're going to take your hand on the forehead and press down here, straight like this, okay, like scissors. Of course, if there is an issue here, it might be a little sore, so go light, but I'm going to press right in here, and the most important thing is we don't mess up their hair. Okay, so now I'm pressing on this point right here, and I'm just going to hold this for about an hour. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to hold it for a couple minutes here. So I'm pressing right into this little point right here, and you're going to feel a little kind of a resistance, and I'm just holding an equal amount of pressure at the area of the lower neck, okay? So it's right through here, right about there. And so now, while I'm doing this, I'm going to ask the person that 5, tell me when it goes to a 6.
Okay.
6, okay, good. Now, I'm just holding this sustained pressure, and it could take about 2 minutes, okay? So, now tell me when it's a 7. 7, okay, good. Tell me when it's an 8.
8.
Good, it's an 8.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just see here. Yeah, it's warming up nicely. Now, what you may want to do, let's say, for example, it's going too slow, then you might want to move your fingers down just a ½ an inch, okay? Because you want to get the exact opposite of the thyroid gland. So you want to get the exact opposite. If you draw a circle around where the thyroid is, which is in the front of the neck and the lower part, so I'm going to come down here, like down at C6, which is the last, one of the last segments before C7, which is very lower. So we're going to just hold that right there. Now, what's interesting, when I went down here, a little lower, her forehead just heated up. So there's something happening here, because it's not me. Okay, what is it? What's happening now to the temperature?
The palms of my hands are warm, and then it's a little bit cold on the top of my hand.
Okay, she said the palms of her hand are warm now. So it was at a 5. What is the palm of your hands right now?
9.
A 9. So that's pretty cool. So now what we're going to do, if you don't have someone to do this on you, you can use this do-it-yourself version. And we're going to use, on someone this small, we're going to use this width right here. Sometimes we'd use a bigger one, but I'm going to actually just, this is a tripod. So I'm going to sit this back here, And why don't you scoot your butt this way about 6 inches? Yeah. Now look at this. So I'm going to actually position this. Let me just take the hair out of the way here and just give me that scissors over there. Now, so we're going to come right down here. Just sit up for a second. Okay, good. We're going to hit this right here. All right, so now just kind of lean your head back there. Yeah, do you feel this? Is it the same pressure that I did?
Almost.
Okay, do I have to go lower?
Yeah.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
How was that?
Good.
So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to try to have her lean back a little bit like this and let gravity pull her head back. So now we have an acupressure device that's exactly at the lower neck, pressing on those 2 points for about 2 or 3 minutes. That way no one needs to press. She can just lay back, let gravity push her head back on this device. And the longer she does it, the warmer she's going to get. So this is great to do, especially if you have to go to sleep and it's hard to sleep because your hands or feet are so cold. So this is just something you can do. See if it works. It may work. I say it's about 50%, so give it a shot, and I will see you in the next video.